Found this tomato in the fridge and thought, well, let me try to paint that tomato since it has the vine and some leaves on it. And thought I'd try something new today, which was to paint some layers and let them dry in between, and then add more paint in more layers, and hopefully get a rich, bold colors that you don't get if you just paint everything all in one time. This is the second painting cycle there, where I had it dried once, then I dried again, and I put in the leaf details, and color match miles away as usual. And then here I tried a third or fourth layer, I forgot which, and shadow was not really coming out very nice, but I kept on working on it patiently, and sort of trying to blot out highlights and then reinforce shadows, and that's what I got. I don't know if it looks that great, but I had it sitting on a turpentine bottle in order to get it a higher height, closer to my eye level, and that's the big result.